Hello everyone. We will continue the topic enhancements and modifications. And in the previous videos, we studied what is a user exit, what are the various ways to find a user exit, and out of those ways, we covered the first way that how you can use the documentation of the program to reach up to a dedicated user exit. Now we will see other two ways also how to find a user exit in a program of SAP. Yes, that program must belongs to SAP sales and distribution module. Now we will go for other two ways. So what I will do, I will simply go to VA01 transaction code, which is the transaction code to create a sales order. I will go for system. I will go for status. I will double click onto the program name. Now we will go for find button. There is a find button. And we will simply search for the statement perform user exit. Now, never forget to choose the radio button in master program. I will go for OK. So it will show me all the user exits available in this particular program. Now you can see we are able to find so many user exits. Suppose if I will go for perform user exit delete document, in the previous video also, I showed you this user exit by going into the most important program MV45AFZZ. Suppose I will click here. Whenever I will double click, ultimately it will go to the same program. So it is a user exit, perform, and name of the user exit. If I will double click, you can simply see it is navigating me to form and end form. And ultimately, it is a part of one of the most important program in which we have the user exits of sales order are available. And SAP provided the clear documentation in which scenario you have to use this particular user exit. So this is another way by which you can find the user exits. Now we will come on to the third way to find a user exit. SAP provided a package. The name of the package is vMode. Suppose I will go for this package, vMode. We all know we can see the package through SC80 transaction code. So I will go to SC80 transaction code. Choose package from the drop down and pass the name of the package vMode. It is a dedicated package in which we have the user exits available. Expand includes, and you will be able to find so many include programs, and in these include programs we have the user exits available. Now many times people ask the question, we have so many includes, do we need to go to each and every include and check? Just see how you will do. Suppose simple, if I will go to VA01 transaction code, VA01 transaction code, you can go for system, you can go for status. Whenever you are going for status, just see what is the name of the program. SAP MV45A, MV45A. It means whatever the include program SAP created, they always begin with MV45A. Suppose simple, you can get more idea. If I will double click onto the program, you can see whatever the user exits program are there, whatever the user exits include are there, they are MV45A beginning letter, MV45A beginning letter. So every user exit program or include program has MV45A at the start. So similar way, if you are using this particular package to find a user exit, so just go for only those include programs. Suppose we have MV45A, 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 and you can see we have one of the most important program, MV45A F set set. If I will show you, we are able to find same to same user exit, which I showed you in first way, which I showed you in second way also. So this is another way how we can find the user exits. It is a dedicated package. We have a V mode package in which we have the user exits of all sales and distribution module are available. Suppose simple. If I will go to VL01 and transaction code, which I showed you in the previous video, VL01N. If I will go to system, if I will go to status, just see the name of the program. As if I will go to this SAP MV50A, MV50A, it means whatever the user exit include program is there, it always begins with MV50A. Suppose if I will show you the documentation which we did, it always MV50A at the start. You can see we have MV50A, MV50A, MV50A. Same way, same to same thing, you can check into this V mode package also. Suppose if I will go to V mode package, you can see we have MV50A, 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 MV50A. So this is another way by which you can find the user exits by checking into this particular package. But out of all these three ways, yes, checking the documentation of the program means go to the program and check the documentation of the program which SAP provided is one of the best way to find a particular user exit, because it's a limitation, or I will say because we cannot put a breakpoint on a keyword. So this is the one of the best way you can check the documentation, and by the documentation you can reach up to a dedicated user exit. Now in the next video, what we will do, we will take a real-time requirement and we will implement that requirement by with the help of user exit. So we finished all the ways how you can find a user exit. That's it in this video. Thank you.